Hi guys, welcome back. In this video today I'm showing you how to make Palak Paneer. You want to preheat a wok on medium heat and add the oil and the paneer and gently fry till the paneer cubes are golden brown on almost all sides. Once done, remove and set aside. Now using the same wok, add the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil, add the onions and fry them till they are translucent and lightly brown. Then add the ginger, garlic, chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt and coriander powder and dry fry them for 20 seconds. Then add the chopped tomatoes and water. Mix well and add the baby spinach. Then place the lid on and allow to wilt for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir the ingredients to prevent it from catching the bottom of the wok and allow the liquid to reduce by more than half with the lid off. Once that's done, you want to transfer the mixture to a blender and blitz until you have a paste which is neither too coarse nor too smooth, but in the middle. Now transfer this paste back into the same wok and on low-medium heat, allow to simmer for 5 to 7 minutes with the lid on. When taking the lid off to stir the Palak mixture, ensure the heat is reduced to the lowest possible setting, as the paste has a tendency to bubble and splatter out of the wok. Please be careful at all times. So we're now ready to add the pre-fried paneer. Gently stir that in, as we don't want the paneer to break. And put the lid on and allow the paneer to heat through for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. To finish the dish off, take the dry fenugreek leaves between the palms of your hands and rub them to release their aroma. Once this is done, add this in. Add a nice slab of butter into the dish and gently stir that in till it melts. The butter finishes the dish off with a distinctive, rich, creamy flavour. So there you have it, Palak Paneer my way. Do try it guys and let me have your thoughts on how yours turned out. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and updates. Till next time, take care.